Hello everyone. So today we are working on a 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. So in this video we are going to be doing a little bit of diagnostic work. So we have an airbag light that comes on in this vehicle. So as you can see right over there, got an airbag light. We have already got the scan tool already hooked up. So let's take a look at the code that we're getting. So it says lost communication with up front left satellite acceleration sensor. So satellite acceleration sensor, we kind of have a hunch about what that is, but we'll do a little bit of research, make sure. But there is a smoking gun right over here. So this is the airbag sensor. So basically the acceleration sensor is the airbag sensor on these things. So got a green one over here, and then looking on the other side, so the right side works, but this side has a blue one. So I'll try to kind of zoom in and show you guys. It is, so if we just kind of zoom in, so right over there, that blue thing that you see, so that's the acceleration sensor for the passenger side. So I'm just kind of trying to focus in on there. So passenger side has a blue one, but for some reason on the driver side we've got a green one. Not sure if there's any difference, but what we're going to do is we'll take that blue one off of the other side, plug it into here, and see if that code transfers on the diagnostic tool. If it does, we know we just got a wrong sensor in there. We got to get the right sensor and plug it back in. All right guys, so we've got the sensors pulled off from both sides. So the green one was on the driver's side, which was having the communication issue, and the blue one was on the passenger side, and that's the one that was working perfectly fine. So basically, in order to diagnose this issue, we are going to be putting the green one. Actually, we're not going to be installing the green one, but we're going to take the blue one and install it into the harness on this side. We're going to go back into the scan tool, and then if that code transfers over to the passenger side, that it loses communication with the acceleration sensor, then we know the sensor is at fault, and that the blue sensor is basically what we need. I'm assuming there's a difference in there because the part numbers are not the same between the two. But so yeah, that's the plan. We're going to switch the sensors around, see if the code transfers from one side to the other, and go from there. All right guys, so we've got the sensors transferred over. Basically we switched the sides. Now basically what we're going to do is come back to the scan tool. We're going to clear the code at first, so wait for this to kind of clear out, and then we are going to reread the fault code, see if it's on the same side. So lost communication with front right satellite acceleration sensor. So the code did transfer over. Basically the blue sensor is working correctly, and we don't have anything plugged in onto the right side, so that makes sense why the code is there. But the left side has gone away, so the sensor seems to be the issue. This green sensor, I guess, is not cutting it, so we'll get the correct one ordered, installed onto this vehicle, and that should be all that it needs.